Bakit ang dami pa rin hindi naniniwala, lalo na mga doctor or nutritionist? Hindi ko po yun masasagot for you. Ang pwede ko lang pong sagutin para sa inyo is, basahin po natin yung mga position statements. Ito po yung mga every few years, itong mga diabetes associations all over the world. For example, Canada has one, US has another one, Australia. Basahin po natin yung mga position statements nila. And kung mapapansin po ninyo, doon sa mga position statements, like for example, in my case, because I practice medicine in Canada, so I follow the Canadian Diabetes Association, mapapansin po natin doon sa position statement ng CDA na isa sa mga nire-recommend nila under lifestyle intervention is very low carbohydrate diet. So, it means they've already reviewed the evidence behind it. These major diabetes associations like American Diabetes Association, Canadian, Australia, they don't just take it lightly na magre-recommenda sila ng mga interventions na hindi po talaga pinag-aralan at walang evidence-based. Bakit hindi nirekomenda ng ibang doktor? I don't know. Baka po meron ang Philippines na sariling Diabetes Association and baka po yun yung sinusundan nila. Ako po I follow the Canadian and the American Diabetes Association recommendations kasi my scope area na kung saan po ako licensed at nagpa-practice is in Canada.